Welcome to the Axie Infinity breeding cost analysis tutorial. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of analyzing the cost of breeding Axies, a crucial aspect of the game. Understanding the breeding cost is essential to making informed decisions and maximizing your profits. First, let's start with the basics. Axie Infinity is a blockchain-based game where players can breed, raise, and battle creatures known as Axies. Each Axie has unique characteristics, such as attributes, body parts, and genes, which determine its strength and value. To analyze the breeding cost, you need to consider several factors, including the cost of the parent Axies, the breeding fee, and the potential revenue from selling the offspring. The breeding fee is a fixed cost that ranges from 0.005 to 0.0125 ETH, depending on the breed count of the parent Axies. Let's consider an example. Suppose you want to breed 2 Axies, each with a breed count of 2. The breeding fee would be 0.0075 ETH. You also need to consider the cost of the parent Axies, which can range from a few $100s to several $1,000s. To calculate the total cost, add the cost of the parent Axies and the breeding fee. For instance, if the parent Axies cost $1,000 each, the total cost would be $2,000 plus the breeding fee of 0.0075 ETH, which is approximately $30. Next, you need to estimate the potential revenue from selling the offspring. The value of the offspring depends on its attributes, body parts, and genes. You can research the market value of similar Axies to estimate the potential revenue. Best practices for breeding cost analysis include researching the market value of Axies, considering the breed count and attributes of the parent Axies, and estimating the potential revenue from selling the offspring. It's also essential to keep track of the breeding fee and the cost of the parent Axies to ensure you're making a profit. In conclusion, analyzing the breeding cost in Axie Infinity requires careful consideration of several factors, including the cost of the parent Axies, the breeding fee, and the potential revenue from selling the offspring. By following these steps and best practices, you can make informed decisions and maximize your profits in the game. Remember to stay up to date with the latest market trends and adjust your strategy accordingly to succeed in Axie Infinity.